Okay, so here we are looking at the overhead camera that was installed in the classroom. This is that camera's view of the front of the room and the whiteboard. And try to focus on the writing on the far right side of the board. All right, we also have a MacBook that's sitting on top of a podium that's located in front of the room. And we're going to switch to that in a minute so you can compare and contrast the quality of what you see there. Here it is. This is the MacBook's camera. And now you can actually see what's written on the board. Now it turns out that you can back the camera up, or take the whole MacBook and back it up away from the whiteboard and actually capture much more of the board. It just happens to be close right now. All right, so we're going to switch back to the overhead camera in a moment. These are the cameras that were installed. Again, notice what you can and can't see on the board. And now we're going to take that same MacBook, and instead of putting it on a podium, we'll just put it on a desk in the front of the classroom. You can see the angle is a little bit different, but you can still see over half of that whiteboard. Okay, there you have it.